Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Carol Fraser, a plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide. And I'm here to help you unlock the power of nature's best remedies. Now, before we dive in, I just want to quickly share something exciting that I'm working on, and that's Wholesale for All, an online collaborative where people can buy natural herbs, where health seekers like you can get affordable, high quality herbs and holistic products at cost price. Now, if that sounds appealing to you, whether you're in the UK or overseas and you'd like to know more, drop a comment below or email me at hello@carolfraser.com. Okay? Now, what I want to do is to just talk to you about this amazing herb, Moringa. And as you can see, I've got the Moringa powder here. Now, Moringa is often called the miracle tree. And this herb is an absolute powerhouse for energy, immunity, and detoxification. Now, I'm never without my Moringa every single day, but let's dive into what makes it so special. Now, Moringa, known as Moringa oleifera, is a nutrient-dense plant that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. Basically, it's a multivitamin straight from nature. So, did you know that this special herb, Moringa, contains 7 times more vitamin C than an orange? And it's 4 times more 4 times more potent in calcium than milk, as well as 3 times more iron than spinach and more potassium than bananas. Now, this is why Moringa is called a superfood, and it's quite, superfood is bandied around a lot, but what does that actually mean for your health? Well, let me get into it. Here are just the key benefits of Moringa. Now, Moringa is rich in iron and B vitamins, which help fight tiredness and keep your energy levels high. Unlike caffeine, it really gives you a steady boost without the crash. Now, to use it, try adding Moringa powder to smoothies or herbal tea for a natural energy lift. Moringa is also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, as I mentioned, helping to fight infections, and it supports your immune health. It contains quercetin, which is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps the body resist stress and illness. Use 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder daily. You can even add it to soups or even juices or your favourite teas. Now, Moringa also helps flush out toxins, making it a great herb for post-cleanse recovery. It also contains chlorophyll, which binds heavy metals and toxins, supporting liver function. You can drink Moringa tea or mix Moringa powder with warm lemon water for a gentle daily detox. Now, Moringa is also known to help lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for diabetes management. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds which may help with joint pain and arthritis. So sprinkle Moringa powder over salads or add it to soups for daily anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, with vitamins A, E and antioxidants, Moringa helps protect the skin from aging and environmental damage. It promotes stronger hair growth by nourishing the scalp with essential nutrients. Mix moringa powder with coconut oil for a DIY hair mask, or drink moringa tea daily for glowing skin. Now, here are some cautions that you should know. While moringa is safe for most people, there are a few things to note. Avoid if pregnant. It may stimulate uterine contractions. And if you have low blood pressure, monitor your intake as it can naturally lower blood pressure, and stay with small amounts. If you're new to moringa, it's detoxifying and it may cause mild digestive changes at first. So you can get high quality moringa, and if you're ready to experience the benefits of it, head over to naturalworkshops.com, where you can get high quality organic moringa, and you can get 50% off your very first purchase. I'd love to hear how you use moringa, so drop a comment below and share your favourite ways to add this powerhouse herb to your routine. Also, join my Telegram group where I offer extra guidance, answer questions, and connect with other health seekers. And don't forget to like, share these videos, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my weekly herb spotlights. So in the meantime, stay healthy, be happy, and always be wise.